Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a wireless controller from a company called AceGamer. This is their branding and logo right here. It has some features. It works with your PC, it works with your Switch, Hall effect triggers, Hall effect joysticks, programmable, so you can customize your own macros. I think you can switch between profiles. But let's have a look at the box now. This is how the box looks like, shows you how the controller looks like. On the back right here we have some features. So if we zoom in, so Hall effect joysticks, Hall effect triggers, multi-mode switching, you can turn on and off the trigger keys, wireless receiver connection, so it comes with a dongle, app function right here, so it has an app, you can customize it, bilinear vibration motors, and macro programming function. So basically, as I said, some of the buttons on the back you can customize them as macros, so you can have your own in-game actions, whatever you want to do. I think you can switch back and forth between them. Pretty much that's it with the box. So for now I am just going to go ahead and open the box. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that I'm going to show you guys how to connect it to your PC. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is what we get. Let's start with the small stuff first. So we have a product manual, user start guide in different languages. It will get you set up, so I suggest you give this a read so you can understand all the features and how the controller works, just to get the most out of it. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. This is used for charging. The controller has a built-in battery, and I think it has a USB Type-C port right here, used to charge it or connect it if you want to use it wired. So if you don't want to worry about the battery, you can use it wired as well. So yeah, it's got a decent length to it, which is very good, because most of the controllers that I've seen nowadays on the market have a really short charging cable. It comes with a USB Type-A dongle. This is going to be used to connect to your PC. And this is the controller itself. To turn it on, you press the middle key. It has some RGBs around the joysticks. You can turn on and off, as you can see, this switch is right here. You can turn on and off the triggers on the back, the buttons on the back. It feels pretty good. It has some nice textures grip on the back. They actually feel amazing. So yeah, that's it. That's all you get inside the box. So let's go ahead now and connect it. I'm going to show you guys how to connect it, and let's see if it works. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that everything is set up, to connect your controller to your PC, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is insert the USB dongle into a USB Type-A port into your PC. You're gonna hear a beep from your speakers, then turn on the controller, so just long press. You will vibrate, which means it's on. So yeah, pretty much that's it. It's really simple and straightforward. As I said, it has some macro functionality, so you can assign your keys, texture grips on the side, which is really nice. You can turn on and off the triggers and the triggers on the back. It has some RGB on the joysticks right here, which looks absolutely great in my opinion. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Very simple to use controller, very lightweight, built-in battery, which is great. And if you guys want to buy this, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.